A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida, at 9:35 p.m. on February 16, 2022, effective until 11:35 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Terry Reed, white male, 4 years old, 3 feet 1 inch tall, 39 pounds, blonde hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 4100 North McDowell Avenue in Tampa, Florida, who was last seen wearing a blue pullover shirt with blue sweatpants and gray shoes. The child may be in the company of Connie George, a white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 115 pounds, blonde hair and hazel eyes, and Matthew Layton, a white male, 6 feet tall, 180 pounds, brown hair and green eyes. Matthew has a short beard. They may be traveling in a 2010 red Toyota Camry, Florida tag number LBZ01. The vehicle has visible damage to passenger side door. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Tampa Police Department at 813-231-6130 or 911-Flamber.